Hadushis pak saungut ki pulit on am branch recruit constables, but hengungut ki followers, bela pendep ika basic training. Menta gasngi kelas apun kuburom haka kong ida shisha nongrang kabade ka Director General of Police ka Jela haka passing out parade jungka fourth batch ki on am branch recruit constables ha Armed Police Training Center ka 6 BNMLP Umran Riboy District. Ha kani kasngi la sakiru da ka jinon lang uritu Rajravi komandan ka 6 Battalion APTC Umran ki he police officer na ka Jela bat kiwe rengkat ki bahi yang asam jong kiti ki pulit bala pendep jihikai. Ha kani kasngi nak liang kiti ki pulit officer ki bala pendep ki jihikai klasi mentaru haka parit haka baka DGP kong kakongsan klasi mika saliu.
Civil Defense, and on 20th May 2020, the Darshan car is driven by Havildar Bharat Goro from Shillong DF, East Khas Hills District.
Tunnel number 3, commanded by UPRC Abhijit Rava, approaching the dais for giving the salute.
And after taking the oath to serve the Meghalaya Police, let me be the first to welcome you into the Meghalaya Police family. As you pass out today, you have before you an unblemished record. There are some amongst you who have won prizes. This should be taken as an inspiration and as an indication that you have many more prizes to win. For those who have not, rest assured that there will be umpteen opportunities for you to win prizes and laurels for the Meghalaya Police, for yourselves and for your country. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Armed Police Training Center and all the instructors who have obviously put in a lot of effort to ensure that these 104 constables and the 7 followers who are part of this parade today have done so exceedingly well. They are a reflection of all the hard work and dedication to duty that you as instructors have imparted into them. As stated by the commander in his report, a number of subjects have been touched upon and you have been given the opportunity to learn about various things. As you step out into regular duty henceforth, you will be called upon to utilize all those inputs that have been given to you. You will also find that a number of things are not exactly what they are taught you in the police training center. You will also be faced with a number of choices. The only advice I can give you is that whatever choice you make, be sure that you can be, you take the choice that you can live with. A choice that will be reflective of the instructions that have been given to you and the priorities and the principles that you hold most dear. The challenges before the Meghalaya Police grow with each passing day. The challenges that you, especially as unarmed branch constables, will face even more. I'm glad to hear that we have so many graduates and postgraduates amongst this 104. It is a reflection of the times when we do not have graduates and postgraduates opting to become recruit constables in the Meghalaya Police. It is a reflection of the times also that with the passage of time, change happens, and these changes are welcome. I would exhort all of the recruit constables here today, whatever your background, whatever your qualifications, you are now a part of police force. You are expected to be disciplined, and you have displayed that in the parade that you have this morning. I wish you all the very, very best, and I am sure that what the commandant has said, that you will be the
our thanks and gratitude for your kind and gracious presence on this joyous occasion. As we witness the passing out parade of the 4th batch of recruit constables at Armed Police Training Center, 6th Battalion. Ma'am, ladies and gentlemen, the 6th Battalion of Meghalaya Police was established on the 20th of January 2011 and shifted to its permanent campus at Umrang in the year 2018. Though we are relatively a new and recent unit, the contributions of Armed Police Training Center and 6th Battalion overall speak for itself. Since its inception, the Armed Police Training Center of 6th Battalion has successfully trained 4 batches of recruit constables, including the current one. Ma'am, today we have gathered here to witness the passing out of 104 UPRCs and 7 recruit followers. The 104 UPRCs that are passing out today hail from all 12 districts of Meghalaya, and they are posted in 7 DFs of West Jaintia Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills, and Ribhoi DF, and its special branch headquarters. In the present batch, while 24 UPRCs are in the age group of 20 to 25 years, 80 are in the age group of 25 to 30 years. Ma'am, I am pleased to state that of 104 cadets, 2 are diploma holders, 22 are HSS LC passed, 66 are graduates, while 14 are postgraduates. I take this opportunity to commend and congratulate the APTC of 6th Battalion and all the instructors who have ensured quality and state-of-the-art training to the RCs. In past close to 12 months, these RCs have undergone rigorous outdoor and indoor trainings. Special modules on topics such as VIP security, IEDs, crime against women and children, etc. have been conducted for a thorough exposure. Ma'am, standing here and looking at the 104 trainees, I can state with pride and confidence that they are going to be assets for Meghalaya Police in the times to come. In the end, I take this opportunity to thank everyone for blessing us with their kind presence on this memorable day. I wish the trainees passing out today the best for their career. Do good, do well, and may God be with you. Thank you, Jai Hind.